So, what exactly is Docker? Docker is a container technology used to create and manage containers. But that raises another question. What is a container in software development? A container is a standardized unit of software that packages an application along with everything it needs to run. That includes the application code, the runtime, and all the required libraries and tools. For example, imagine you build a Node.js application. The container can include the application source code, the Node.js runtime, and any other dependencies the application needs. Because everything is packaged together, the application behaves the same way every time it runs, no matter where it runs. This directly solves a very common problem in software development. It works on my machine but not on yours. Containers remove this issue by keeping the environment fixed and controlled. That consistency is the biggest advantage of containers. The same container always produces the same result because the environment inside it never changes. An easy way to understand this is with an analogy. Think of a container like a picnic basket. A picnic basket carries everything you need: food, plates, and utensils. So you can take it anywhere and have a picnic without depending on what's available at the location. Containers work the same way. They carry everything an application needs to run. Another useful comparison is a shipping container. Shipping containers are standardized, isolated, and self-contained. They can move across ships, trucks, and trains without changing what's inside. Docker containers work the same way. They package applications in a standard format, so they can run consistently on different machines. But here's an important clarification. Docker does not magically remove all problems. Docker removes environment problems, not bugs in your code or system issues. As long as the system supports Docker, the application will run the same way everywhere. That means the machine, whether it's a laptop, a server, or a cloud VM, must have Docker or a container runtime installed. If Docker is available, the container runs the same. If Docker is not available, the container cannot run. This is why Docker works so well when moving applications between development, testing, and production environments. There's no need to install extra software on the target machine because everything required is already inside the container. Docker is the tool that makes creating, managing, and running these containers simple. That's why Docker has become the industry standard, because it makes applications portable, predictable, and consistent across all major operating systems.